Hey everyone, today's video I will guide you on how to start LLC in New Jersey. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in New Jersey using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date information that you need to know with Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first of all, you have to dive into busy.com. As you can see, so this is the home page of busy.com. So first, what is Busy and why we use Busy? Busy offers a site of tools for project management, team collaboration, and workflow optimization, all in one intuitive interface. Whether you are a startup or a well-established company, Busy helps you boost productivity, enhance communication, and drive growth. Embrace the future of efficient business management with Busy, where simplicity meets innovation. So first of all, you have just to click over Farm Your Free LLC now. Then we have here this page. You have to choose your entity type and you have to select LLC. Then you select New Jersey, as you can see. Then if we scroll down, we have here three packages. You have to choose one of them. So we have business formation packages. The first one, it's for free, but you have to pay state fee. It's $130 and it's for 3 weeks. About the second one, the standard one, you have to pay $199 plus $130 for state fee. And the last one, it's premium packages. You have to pay $299 plus $130 for state fee, and it's for 1 day, as you can see. So about the first one, we have the first things, it's preparing and filling the articles of organization, and also free first-year registered agent service. And we have also online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation. About the second one, and it's 3 weeks, as you can see, we have the same that we have on the first one, but plus business tax number and operating agreement. As you can see, we don't have the first and here we don't have lifetime compliance others, which we have in the second, and a limited phone and email support, and also from 2553. And let's move on to the last one, or let's say the last package. About this one, we have all these characteristics that we don't have in the first and in the second. So we have here domain name plus business email, and we have business contract templates and expedited filing. So as you can see, so you choose your package, then you click over get started. Then you will find this page, which is company information. You have to write your LLC name and you have to this signature to design your LLC. For example, Mike here. So about business purpose. So for example, I will write selling clothes, for example, and I click over next. Once you do that, you will find this page, which is contact person and your information. You have to write your first name, your last name, your email, and your mobile phone. Then you click over next. After that, you'll find company address information. So we have just to read this benefit of using unprovide virtual mail address, this one. So we have keeping your personal address confidential, real-time text and email notification of any incoming mail, maintaining a physical presence even if you are not physically there, permanent digital access to mail anywhere in the world. In the first one, you have to pay $29 per month. So I will choose the first one. Then you have to write you have to select your country, your street address, and your city also. You have to choose New Jersey here. and then your zip code. Then you click over next. Then we have here, please provide members information for my LLC. So we have to select number of members. I will choose one because I work individually. Then I will link my personal information. Then I will click over next. Once you do that, you will find registered agent information. About this one, you have just to read this information. Then if you wanna choose the first one, assign busy as my registered agent fee for first year. I would like to act as my own registered agent. So I will choose the first one, then I will click over next. Then we have tax identifications number information. An employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the heirs and used to identify taxpayers. Will apply and obtain your N from the heirs electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the N. So I'm a foreign individual and do not have a social security number. So I will click over yes and click over agree. Then I will write my personal information here. Then I click over next. Once you do that, you will find certain app small business banking. So all I have to do is read this information. If you're interested, you click over yes, I'm interested, or you click over ask me later or back. Once you do that, you will find tax strategy and free consultation. In this step, you have just to read this information. Then if you are not interested at this time, you click over it, or yes, I would like to receive the basic tax and consultation and it's for free. Then you click over next. The next step we have business licenses and permits. This steps you have just to choose between no tax. I will do the work myself. Yes, please mail the application, but you have to pay $99. You have team of license specialists will contact to research for you, who will determine all the licenses and permits you need to stay compliant. Receive the applications along with a guide to the next steps via email. So I will choose the first one, then I'll click over next. Once you do that, you will find order summary 4. So the steps is very easy. You have just to edit and modify your info if you did a mistake before. Once you verify, you will click over next, and let's move into the next step, or let's say in the last step. Well, information. You have to choose people if you have people or credit card also. Then you will link your personal information like card number, expiry date, CVV, CVC, and bill address also. Then you click over complete and pay, and you have to pay $429. And you click over I agree to the legal statement and consultation policy. You have to read this. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in New Jersey with the straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it is. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.